Isang agency na maganda.
Nursing home.
iNurse Intelligent Nursing, affordable and reliable services.
Nagdi-deploy sila ng nurses, midwives, and caregivers.
Sa mga kliyenteng na nangangailangan.
Identity. May ID kami. Maluwag yung schedule, hindi puro work lang. Katulad nun, pagka magpaparelieve ako, agad-agad meron reliever. Hindi stress sa work. iNurse is flexible and they understand our needs. Fair and equal. Dito pa daw.
Masaya dito sa iNurse.
Dito sa iNurse, we are family.
We are a team, we collaborate, we are young and vibrant.
Ang aim namin ay gumaling o mag-improve ang pasyente.
Kompleto ang documentation and records.
iNurse maganda ang services niya, lalo sa mga pasyente. We treat client as a relative.
Here in iNurse, we have a case management.
We give value for money and the service is ready.
Dito masaya!